Limit x tends to 0, log to the base e 1 plus 4x divided by e to the power of 3x minus 1. So we need to find the value of this limit. Let's write here limit x tends to 0. Log e is nothing but natural logarithm, so we can write ln instead of log e 1 plus 4x divided by e to the power of 3x minus 1. Suppose this is f of x. So from here, if we find f of 0, we get 0 by 0 form. Right? So, and 0 by 0 form is indeterminate. So we will use L'Hopital's rule to solve this limit. So let's write according to L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule. Now what L'Hopital rule says, if suppose h is a function of x which is equal to f of x by g of x, and if we find limit x tends to some value c h of x, if we are trying to find this limit, so we can write this as limit x tends to c f of x by g of x, and if limit x tends to c f of x is equal to 0 or infinity, and at the same time limit x tends to c g of x is equal to 0 or infinity. So we get a 0 by 0 form or a infinity by infinity form, and these forms are indeterminate. So what we can do here to find this limit, so the L'Hopital's rule says this limit can be found by limit x tends to c h of x will be equal to limit x tends to c d by dx of f of x divided by d by dx of g of x. And we will keep differentiating f of x and g of x until this form is removed, that is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. So if again suppose d by dx of f of x is 0 and at the same time d by dx of g of x is 0, that means if these are also in 0 by 0 form, then we will write this as limit x tends to c d2 by dx square f of x, that means the second derivative of f with respect to x, and d2 by dx square g of x. Okay, so this will keep going on. So in this problem is also 0 by 0 form. So what we can do here, we can write limit x tends to 0 d by dx of ln 1 plus 4x divided by d by dx e to the power of 3x minus 1. So this will be equal to limit x tends to 0. So the differentiation of this function will be 4 divided by 1 plus 4x whole divided by 3 e to the power of 3x. Now if we put the limit here, we get 4 by 1 plus 0 into 1 by 3 e to the power of 0, which is equal to 4 by 3. Now let's go back to the problem. So the correct option is option C, 4 by 3. To get more information on these type of limits, that is 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, you can follow the NPTEL course lecture number 5, limits of functions, on calculus of one real variable by Professor Joydeep Datta from the Department of Economic Science at IIT Kanpur.